Question 20, we have three oxides. First of all, we have a metal oxide. A metal oxide, typically this is a group 1 metal oxide. That's what you call a basic oxide because it dissolves in water to give you a base. You can imagine that the basic oxide dissolves in water to give you a base. So these are non-metal oxides. Non-metal oxides are going to be acidic oxide. When they are acidic oxide, they dissolve in water to give you acids. Acidic oxide will mean the pH is lesser than 7 because they are acidic in water, whereas the basic oxide, the pH will be above 7 because they are basic or they are alkaline. So basicity is to do with these OH minus ions, whereas acidity is to do with the H plus ions. Hydrogen ions refer to H plus, hydroxide ion refer to OH minus, very popular in paper 2 question. So we are looking at adding it to aqueous sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, Na plus OH minus, straight from your year 9 or year 10 chemical formula. So the way you look at it is plus 1 and minus 1. The charge cancel out, it just NaOH is the formula. You want to lower the pH. So that means you want to make more acidic because the lower the pH, below 7, it becomes acidic. You want to make more acidic, so you don't want to use K2O because K2O is basic. It will make it above 7. It will make it higher. Lower pH means make it more acidic. So 2 and 3 is correct. We're looking at option C as the answer there.